Waterways. What? Right here. Wildwood. Team Fat Ass on the Derpy Dogs.
Show the pedals.
I say we bump them. We bump them. We should bump them. We're catching up to it.
We are.
Oh, now I'm tired. Wait, this potential 10 minutes failed us. Woo. I'm scared. Hey guys, go surfing for me. I like your shirt. Oh, wow. Caught that bird right on camera. Oh, why you gonna break? I was gonna bump him.
Come on, lady, move it.
Come on! She should have sat in the front. I guess I'm in a little bit better shape than last year. Last year I was dead like a quarter of the way through. Oh, ooh, we can help them. I'm gonna get in shape like this. I love it. Oh, it says no bumping. We shouldn't be bumping.
No,
I didn't notice that.
The guy even said no bumping.
Oh, I didn't hear that.
Yeah.
We broke the rules.
Come on, lady, move it.
Damn, this is longer than I thought it was. I'm telling you. It's gonna make you hungry. Come on! Oh no, now we have to start from scratch. The momentum lost. You should see how bad I was sweating last year. I'm like, all this. Yeah, whoever made this is a fucking asshole, let me tell you. What is this? Break, right? Scared you? How was that ride?
Tiring.
I did all the work. What are you talking about? Pull up, push down, pull up, push down.
Come on,
I'm winded.
You're winded. You didn't do anything. We pushed you half the freaking way.
You barely reached the pedal.
We won. We won! Yeah, we did. Just because they got there first doesn't mean anything. We got there faster.
Yeah.